welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the top stories. Advocates suspect conspiracy in suspension of District and Session Judge Anuja Prabhudesai. Eminent lawyer unhappy with the High Court decision to suspend the judge on the charges of irregularities. CM refuses any talks on Madai with Karnataka, says government will rope 50 cooperative societies to extend government scheme to control price rise. Forest Department charges Rajendra Kerkar with abandonment to crime in Keri tiger killing case. Kerkar rubbishes allegation, says Forest Department is politically motivated. Citizen journalist exposes negligence of PWD department, shows how department takes 3 days to repair a pipeline. Newly elected AIFF Vice President Joki Alema wants to help India qualify for Football World Cup. And St. Rita High School from Kolvaya and Mustifan High School from Panji enter second round of Germania cricket tournament. And now the news in detail. High Court has suspended District and Session Judge Anuja Prabhudesai on the charges of irregularities. Many advocates have expressed resentment on this decision. She was supposed to get promoted as a High Court judge. Some advocates feel that she is suspended to deny her the elevation. Bombay High Court on Monday suspended District and Sessions Judge Anuja Prabhudesai for alleged irregularities. She was also holding the charge of Judicial Officer for Industrial and Labour Tribunal Court. A charge sheet has also been filed against her for the irregularities. But many advocates are not happy with this decision. They say Anuja Prabhudesai is a good judicial officer with good track record.
I see this suspension as a blot on the history of Indian judiciary. But blot because there is nothing that from the charge sheets which is grave. It is quite possible that all this is being done for the purposes of trying to deny her rightful consideration for being elevated to the High Court.
And in fact, the entire bar in the whole of Goa is extremely disturbed by this development, particularly because it is claimed against an officer, a judicial officer of our state, who can be included amongst the best judicial officers in this state. A very intelligent judge, very hardworking, very dedicated, and above all, very honest.
Advocate Iris Rodrigues has also supported Anuja Prabhudesai. In a letter to the editor, he says, as she was senior most district judge of Goa, her suspension could be a very systematic ploy to sideline and abort her hopes of elevation as judge of the Bombay High Court. If this is proven, the conspirators of this plan of framing fake charges against her should not be spared. We contacted Goa High Court. They said that authorities from Mumbai can comment on this issue. No one from Goa will be able to speak about this. We could not contact authorities from Mumbai till late night. A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar for Prudent Media. CM has silenced possibility of any talks with Karnataka on Madai. He has agreed that Karnataka CM Yediyurappa approached him in Delhi, but CM did not give him a positive response. CM also said that government will rope in 50 cooperative societies to extend government scheme controlling price rise in rural areas.
Chief Minister addressed media after coming back from the CM's meet in New Delhi. He said that there is no point in having any meeting with the Chief Minister of Karnataka over the Mahadai issue. CM said that Goa government supports constitution of tribunal for Mahadai.
That there is no point in holding a joint meeting. My stand as far as Goa is concerned is very clear. We support the stand taken by the central government, constitution of a tribunal, and I said you should tell the Karnataka government to stop the work which they are doing at the site. This is my government stand. Now Chief Minister that day met me when I was coming out from the toilet along with Mr. Narendra Modi, and Chief Minister was going inside the toilet. Now you expect me to discuss Madai issue there?
Chief Minister said that 50 cooperative societies will be roped in to control price rise in rural areas.
That is government and intervention on price rise scheme, where we roped in Horticulture Corporation, we had roped in Marketing Federation, and even today the scheme is going very smoothly. We have also decided in the last meeting that we will rope in 50 cooperative societies in the rural areas, through which we will extend this scheme so that more and more people in the villages can take benefit.
CM informed that many major issues of Goa were discussed in Delhi. He informed that coastal security will be beefed up and police control room will be upgraded. State will also get a new regional forensic laboratory.
Second phase of coastal security, Home Minister said, will be cleared by April. In that we have asked for 4 police stations. One important demand which we had made was establishing a centralized control room in the city of Panaji. That regional forensic laboratory may be set up in the state of Goa.
Sunil Kautankar is elected as the new president of NSUI. CM congratulated him.
Sunil Kautankar has been elected the president of NSUI in the state of Goa. The first time they had election process.
Our reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Shan.
Forest Department is now shooting the whistleblower. Department has charged environmentalist Rajendra Kerkar with abandonment to crime in the Keri tiger killing case. News report says Kerkar did not reveal the source of information, although he was aware of the incident. Kerkar has rubbished the allegations, saying that Forest Department is politically motivated. PTI report states the investigation document mentions that Kerkar, who initially exposed the case through a newspaper, did not reveal the source of information and claimed it was a secret source. Interestingly, Forest Department has charged the man who exposed the tiger killing case at Keri. We contacted Rajendra Kerkar on phone. He said he has cooperated with Forest Department from time to time. He also said that Forest Department is politically motivated.
Actually, the Forest Department is politically motivated.
Okay.
And they wanted that I should tell them the name of the culprit. And whole Forest Department was aware about the tiger killing. Because of me, how investigation can be delayed because of me?
Yeah.
I have given cooperation to them from time to time.
Yeah, but
I have whenever written from me, I have given to them. Whatever information required, I have given.
the Forest Department has confirmed that the animal killed at Keri a year back was a tiger. Forest Department has quoted the Dehradun-based Wildlife Institute of India's report. WII analyzed the bone sample found at scene of the offence. The tiger was killed in last week of February last year. The incident was reported in April. PTI, quoting a senior forest officer, has said Kerkar had to be made an abettor as he was not cooperating with the officers. Kerkar has still not revealed his source. Officer says initially for almost 1.5 months they were scouting through vast jungle to get a clue based on the photographs carried in the newspaper. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. With this, we'll take a short break. Stay tuned.